A whole lot of benefits you stand to gain as a VIP member on the Bybit exchange, and one of those benefits is paying low fee in all of your trading, no matter how high or how big the volume you do per trade. So one of your benefits as a VIP member is that you pay very low fee. And right now, guys, you can actually participate in the Bybit weekly VIP lucky draw and stand a chance to go home with $8,888 instantly. As you can see right here, okay, this person just won 500, all right, another person won $1, 500, and this particular user right here, as at today, has already won 8,888. Okay, so if you look at the spin right here, the lucky draw spin right here, you can see all of the different prizes you can win as a VIP member on the Bybit exchange. So if you don't know already, what you need to become a VIP member is just the amount of deposit and the volume you do every day, right? The amount of deposit and the volume you do every day. So for those of you who don't know already, these things happen automatically. You don't need to apply for it. All right, once you achieve a certain amount of deposit on your account and a certain amount of trading volume in a day or in a month, Bybit automatically upgrades you, and it ranges from VIP 1 up to as high as VIP 5, and they all comes with their own benefits. So you can participate in the lucky draw. It is weekly, right? For instance, you still have 5 days to register for this week, so it is a weekly draw. You can participate here and start winning some cash, as a lot of persons are actually doing right here. Okay, majority of the persons are doing $1, $3, and all of that. $500 is equally very common. $1,000, as you can see right here, this person just won $80 as well, $500 as well, and you too can participate in this and win this free money for yourself. To be able to participate for this, first you need to register for the event. Okay, you just come here and register for the event. I'm going to leave the link for this event in the video description. Okay, you can just go there and then register for the event. The next thing is just to complete the task, and then you spin this wheel right here to be able to win this amount of money that a lot of users out there are taking advantage of. All right, to become a Bybit VIP member is very simple. We can come to the table here right here. Okay, so these are the different levels. So for VIP 5, you need to have a minimum of $2 million on your Bybit account. All right, and then the trading volumes too that you need to do. I'm going to leave the link to this page in the video description so that you can go take a look at it and see how you can qualify for this. Then for VIP 1, all you just need is 100K in your account, right? If you have up to 100K on your account and then you have been doing trading volume both on spot and futures, automatically Bybit will upgrade your account to a VIP 1, VIP 2, depending on the amount of deposit that you actually have on your account, right? So with this different VIP level, you can actually start participating in the VIP weekly draw organized by Bybit and stand a chance to get up to $8,888 every week. Okay, so the different tasks that you can complete after registering, number 1 is deposit tax. Okay, now with the deposit tax, if you deposit 100,000 and above, you get up to 7 chances. Okay, number 2 is derivative trading tax. All right, if you do 15 million in volume, you actually get up to 5 chances to spin the wheel and win some money for yourself. And then number 3 is spot trading, right? If you trade up to 1.5 million in volume on spot, you actually get 3 chances to spin the wheel and then you start winning. All right, and then number 3 is if you purchase the USDE. Remember, I made a video previously telling you that if you hold USDE on your account, all right, there are certain percentage that comes to you. You don't need to stake it, but having USDE on your account alone on Bybit, you stand to gain annual returns on that, which is credited to your account every day, right? So you can get up to 3 chances to spin if you buy USDE and you qualify for that draw. So these are the different tasks that you need to complete, and you'll be able to qualify to come in here and spin this wheel. As you can see, this person $80, another $80, another $1, and this thing happens every week. So every week, just come in here, become a VIP member. But here is saying I should become a VIP member, but in your own case, it will say register. Once you're a VIP member already, just say register, and once you register, you can now qualify to, once you complete any of the tasks, you can come in here to spin. So if, for instance, you get like 7 tickets to spin this, you spin this 7 times, and maybe you can be the lucky person to win $8,000, just like this person just won, or the $500 just like you see with this person, or the $80 just like you see with this person, and it goes on and on. So take advantage of this right now. Take advantage of this campaign right now and start making free money for yourself. All right, it is your right as a VIP member, so don't miss out on this.